Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like easy, helpful videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple and useful. Let's get started.
Many people wonder where Preferences is located in Outlook. You might be looking for this setting to customize your email experience. The term Preferences isn't always used directly. If you are using Outlook on a Windows computer, what you are looking for is usually called Options. To find it, first open Outlook. Then, go to the top left corner of the window and click on File. A menu will appear. Look for Options at the very bottom of this menu. Click on Options, and a new window will open. This is where you can adjust almost every setting. You can change your mail settings, calendar preferences, general display, and more from here. For those using Outlook on a Mac, the term Preferences is indeed what you will see. Open Outlook on your Mac. Then, look at the very top of your screen, in the Apple menu bar. You will see Outlook next to the Apple logo. Click on Outlook, and then select Preferences from the drop-down menu. This will open a dedicated Preferences window for your Mac Outlook. Here, you can manage your accounts, notifications, general appearance, and other specific Mac settings. So, remember, Options for Windows users and Preferences for Mac users will get you to the right place for customizing your Outlook experience. The exact wording depends on your operating system and Outlook version. This simple guide helps you find those important settings quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.